How to unlock Walmart Family Mobile. Ensure your phone meets the eligibility criteria for unlocking. Typically, the phone must be active on the Walmart Family Mobile network for at least 12 months, and all financial obligations must be met. You will need the phone's IMEI number. Dial star #06# to find it. Your phone number and account information. Call Walmart Family Mobile Customer Support at 1-877-440-9758. You can also chat with customer support on the Walmart Family Mobile website. Inform the representative that you want to unlock your phone. Provide the necessary information, including your IMEI number and account details. The customer support representative will guide you through the process. They may provide you with an unlock code and instructions on how to enter it. Once you receive the unlock code, power off your phone, insert a non-Walmart Family Mobile SIM card, power on the phone. You should be prompted to enter the unlock code. Enter the code provided by the customer support representative. If entered correctly, your phone should be unlocked and ready to use with other carriers. If you encounter any issues or need further assistance, contact Walmart Family Mobile Customer Support again for help. Thanks for watching.